Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss some tricks to solve math problems easily and fastly. And today our topic is about square of a number. How to find the square of a number very easily. Now let us see some of the examples to find the square of a number very easily and fastly. Now let us take one example, that is 15 square. Here this 15, 25, 35, 45 and so on, they can be solved by using multiplication process also, that is 15 square. Here it can be solved. First now, here is 15 square. First we have to return 5 square. That is 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25. And now here is 1 and 1 next number is 2. 1 next number is 2 and this 2 to be multiplied, that is 1 into 2, 2. 15 square is 225. As I said in the previous video, multiplication process, this is also as same, that is 15 into 15. 5 into 5 and 1 is multiplied to next number, that is 1 into 2. And similarly 25 square, that is 25 into 25, that equals to 5 into 5, 25. And 2 next number is 3, that is 2 into 3, 6. And in squares, this procedure will not possible to all the numbers. Now let us solve first some of these examples, that is 35 square, that is 35 into 35, 5 5 is 25 and 3 is here in tens place and 3 is multiplied to next number, that is 3 into 4, that equals to 12. And this procedure is applicable to only these sum of the numbers, that is 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and so on. Now let us see another model of finding squares of a number very easily. Now let us see how to find the square of any number. First let us see one example, that is 43 whole square. And this is 43 whole square, and how to find this square very easily, let us see that. That is, here we should take 3 parts of this number, and in first number we should do here 4 square. Tens place digit, that is 4 square, and here in the last we should do 3 square, and in the middle part we should multiply all these 3 numbers, that is 4 into 3 into 2. And here we know that 4 square is 16 and 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24 and 3 square is 9. Now we should write this. Here 9 should be written, and here in this 24 we should write only 4, and this 2 is carry forward and this is forwarded to 16, that is 16 plus 2, 18. And now 43 whole square is 1849. Now let us see, that is another example, that is 63 whole square. This 63 whole square, 3 bits. Here in this units place, that is 3 square, and tens place 6 square is here, and these 3 to be multiplied. These 3 to be multiplied, that is 6 into 3 into 2, that equals to 6 square is 36, 3 square is 9, and 6 3s are 18, 18 into 2, 36. Now this to be written here, 63 whole square equals to 9 to be written here, and in 6 here 36, only 6 to be written, and these 3 to be carry forwarded, that is 36 plus 3 is 39. And now 63 whole square is 3969. Let's see another example, that is 57 whole square. Here is nothing but 1, 2, 3 units place to be square, 7 square, and tens place, that is 5 square, and 3 to be multiplied, that is 5 into 7 into 2. Here 5 square is, we know that 25, and 7 square, 7 into 7, that is 49, and these 3 multiplication, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 7, 70. Now from this we should write here, in the 49 we should write only one term, that is 9, and 4 is carry forwarded to before digit, that is 70 plus 4, 74. In 74 only 4 to be written here, and that 7 is carry forwarded to before digit, that is 25 plus 7. 25 plus 7 is 32. And now 57 whole square is 3249. And students, if you do some of the problems, that is more to 5 problems, you will understand very clearly. Now let us see 3-digit squares. Let us see here, that is 3 digits square of a number. Now let us see one example, that is 230 whole square. As similar to the above problem, that is we should take here 3, and now first this 3 square to be done in one's place, and in next process 21 whole square, this 2 digit to be taken, that is 21 whole square, and here 21 into 3 into 2 in the middle part. And now we know that 3 square equals to 9, and from here 21 into 3 into 2, 21 into 6, that equals to 126. And here this 21 whole square to be done as above process, that is 21 whole square equals to 1 whole square, 2 whole square is here, and 2 into 1 into 2, that equals to 2 square 4, 2 into 1 into 2 4, and 1 441, and 21 whole square equals to 441. This 441 to be written here. Now 21 whole square equals to 441, and 213 whole square equals to 9, and this 9 to be written here, and from this 126 this 6 to be written, and this 12 to be carry forwarded. to 441. That is 441 plus 12 equals to 453. And the square of 213 is 45369. Let's see another example for total clarification. Now, second one, that is 443 whole square. Here is 3 parts. 3 square is 1 and 44 square is 1. 44 into 3 into 2. And now 3 square is 9. 44 into 3 into 2 is 264. And now 44 whole square to be done as 2-digit process. Now let us see that. 44 whole square, that is 4 square and 4 square, 4 into 2, that equals to 16 is here, 16 is here, and 4 4 is 16, 16 2 is 32. From this, see in 16, 6 to be written and 1 is to be carry forwarded. 32 plus 1 is 33. In 33, 3 to be written and 1 3 is carry forwarded to 16. That is 16 plus 3, 19. And here 44 whole square is 1936. Now finally 443 whole square is, and here this 9 to be written, and from this 264, 4 to be written and 26 is carry forwarded. 1936 plus 26 to be added, and here 1962 49 is the square of 443. Once let us check it in calculator. That is 443 into 443, that is 196 249, and it is correct. See another 3-digit multiplication, that is second one, 242 whole square. That is, in first one 2 square, and in second this 24 whole square, and in middle 24 into 2 into 2, that is 2 square is 4, and 24 into 2 into 2, that is 24 into, that is 96. And now let us find the 24 whole square, that is 4 square, 2 square, 2 into 4 into 2, that is 4, 16, and 2 4 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Now in this 16, 6 to be written and 1 is carry forwarded to 16, that is 17, and this one again carry forwarded to 4, that is 576. And from the above, 242 whole square equals to 4 to be written here, this 4 to be written here, and from this 96 only 6 to be written, and this 9 is carry forward. 576 plus 9, 585. 5. And square of 242 is 585/64. And this is about the sum of the square tricks to solve very easily. In the next video, we will discuss another tricks to solve same method, that is square of a number, some other tricks. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.